I do have to pay attention to what I'm on. I'm on a scooter, and I don't want to be one-hand riding with flat free wheels because I'm all over the road. I like the regular tires. I got to get to the post office. I got a mount on the bike, and I'm using the widest field of view. Yes, indeed. Get on going. All right, I use voice command. I'm not sure the stabilization I'm on. And I had to look down to see what voice commands are allowed. Stop recording. I adjusted my scooter speed to 15 miles per hour. I don't love going 19 with free flat wheels. I got cruise control. I'm gonna go see if my trail cam is still there. Stop recording. Stop recording. I need to do a video about HDR and HEVC. Need to see if yeah, I know I don't have HEVC set up in the Ace Pro 2 right now. I have an H264, and I don't have the ability of H264 in the Osmo Action 5. Stop recording. I'm going on rough terrain, little bumps, gravel. Taking my time, cutting across, you can see the water. Off we go. I'm not sure how far down I gotta go. I know how far down I gotta go. Stop recording. Stop recording. If I not moving, I could feel the vibration on the handlebar. Just about. So I give you a front view, but I'm not changing my field of view. I got one more light to go. Trees are blossoming, the cherry trees, that is. House for sale. You want to buy a house for sale? Off we go. Stop recording. All right, there's the scooter. Fifth wheel, man. Don't you just like it? If I say start recording, we get the same thing we have with GoPro. My willow tree, oh man, it's going. Let's go on off-roading. How does that feel to you? All that vibration. And I got shock absorbers, man. Oh, yeah. Stop recording. I'm on high right now. Oh, yeah. The fish is high on stabilization. And the sun's in his background. Oh, yeah, man. I'm going. Scootering on. Problem now. I need to tighten up my... You got it. But I am going to do one thing. Change the front because I got the geese in the distance. As I go along, get on cruise control. Not yet. Didn't kick in. Geese are all lined up. Now I'm on cruise control. Oh yeah, baby, I'm flying. Maybe the seagull will move. There they go. I gotta come back here in the next couple of days. Let's see if you can see it with the camera's view. I doubt you're gonna see it. I'm looking. All right, follow my hand. See the tree right there going up? Then there's one there, a whole bunch. There's a tree that there's an arm right there, like this. Right next to that tree. That's where the camera's at. And I don't see any movement now. But later on, we'll see it. I got 0 to start that you got to squeeze the brake, but if I give a little push, I'm able to still go. Well, it's time for me to get on out of here and finish off my vlog. You're going to see me using the Ace Pro 2. You're going to see me using the Action 5 Pro. I like both cameras. That's all I can say. Oh, I'm cruising down nice and comfortable. If I go nice like this, slow, I'm pretty happy with the way the scooter goes. All right, time for me to get on out, get on going. Do I do hand gesture or stop recording? All right, we'll pack it on up. Got some editing to do. I got a lot of things to take care of. Get going. Put this into the vlog. Well, you know who I am. It's time to get going. See if we can make this slide and get on out of here. I'm Fish, and I'll see you on the next one. Stop recording.